Dubai Creek Harbour. Wouldn't it be exciting to be able to wake up every day and to be able to walk to a beach or walk to a central park just 2 minutes away and enjoy your evening sunsets with downtown views at the viewing point? Dubai Creek Harbour has it all. Every time I come to Dubai Creek Harbour, there is always something new. Emaar has been rapidly constructing this project and Creek Beach has been taking shape every day. Hailed as Downtown 2.0, Creek Harbour has become one of the most popular destinations for end users and investors. I am standing right next to the 700 meters long exclusive Creek Beach, the only beach in Creek Harbour. Iconic pedestrian bridge which basically connects the Creek Beach all the way up to the Island District. And as you can see, that half of the canal is already open and Emaar has covered this portion since they are working on the other half. The Creek Beach consists of low to medium rise buildings, all connected with a common shared podium, having direct access to the private beach and the water canal. It makes it a car-free, pedestrian-friendly development, and not to forget all the ample of amenities that it has to offer to all the age groups. The Island District of Dubai Creek Harbour has already been bustling with residents and tourists enjoying the Marina Promenade, the Central Park, the restaurants, the cafes, hospitality at the address and the villa. As per Emaar, this project has already appreciated almost 50% over just 5 years with an average of 8 to 9% rental yield. And the good news is, with so many projects and attractions still planned to be launched in this project, these figures are only expected to continue and rise. So guys, now we are at the Emaar Sales Center and this is the model of Creek Beach. We were just standing here besides the Vida Hotel. This is the pedestrian lane connecting towards the Island District. And now we have the latest addition of mangrove residences in this entire Creek Beach land parcel. These are the mangrove residences facing towards the park. It consists of 2 towers, 7 and 8 floors each. So we can see that the units are quite limited. So mangrove residences consist of 1 bedroom starting from 1.6 million, 2 bedrooms starting from 2.3 million and 3 bedrooms starting from 3.5 million. All this with a flexible payment plan of 80% and 20% at the time of handover. The main attraction of this project is the expected completion is in July 2026, when almost all the projects are expected to be completed only 2027, 2028. This is an opportunity for a lot of investors who are looking for an early handover. So get in touch with me and secure your unit.